Hello guys, welcome back again to my simple cooking show. So today's video, we are cooking Quaker oats. So guys, yung Quaker oats is still cut oats. So just only 3 minutes to cook. Try tayo ng raisins, dried raisins. Tapos mayroon akong some cranberry. Ilagay ko na lang yung cranberry. Kasi kukunti na lang natira, yung cranberry. This is for breakfast, guys. Pwede mong lutuin in advance din. Ilalagay mo lang sa fridge. Okay? Sa chiller. Para mas madali. Yan, guys. It's almost cooked. Yung mga instant, pero this one is mostly I like it. This one is the best. So ito na po guys. Pagbukas guys, lagyan mo na lang siya ng milk. Tapos yung mga fruits na gusto mong ilagay, berries, strawberries, tapos nuts. Yun na ang breakfast. And banana. Yan. Na-advance ko na niluluto guys so that it easy for me. Okay. So ito na guys. Transfer lang natin dito. Yan. Ito ay masarap na breakfast natin. So yan lang guys. I-cool down lang natin. Then we're going to put in the fridge. Yan. Tapos na. Sarap. Yummy.